here. All right. Only subscribers can comment if you set the live to sub-only chat. That's cool. Only subscribers can watch this live. That's pretty cool. Audience controls. This live is limited to those aged 18 years or older. No, I don't need. Chat sounds kind of interesting. Designating the moderators too. That's cool. I guess the mic is on there. Oh, come on. No frames dropped so far. Okay. I thought this might be a bit intense. Where is your guys' chat? Chat. Oh, all right, RJ. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Chatting. Okay, I'll put it up. I not notice everything you guys are saying. Got to try for it. Making some more progress on all those on all these watch list column scripts. Now I have a the volume average volume column, and it's like nicely abbreviated, not like crappy looking, and color coded a bit. And then I'm also working on today's volume in terms of abbreviated, like 81 mil. You know, I don't need to know 87,659,263 shares. I just need real quick, you know. And then the R vol, I'm still working on that as well. Alrighty, let's take a look at this. So we're looking at NVOS this morning and eBet, and we've got DLO from yesterday. Anybody still in DLO? We're still in that from yesterday. And let's see, I already looked at Life W, no go, Detail, no go, TIFC, Octo. Let's see this one, Octo on 500% RVol, Octo. Let's take a look at that. Have you heard of AMC Fisco? No, I'm not sure what do you mean by that. Fiasco? Octo, no go on Octo. The rest of these stocks really aren't up enough. All right, I'll take a look at them. TTOO. That ship already sailed, but you know what? It needs to be on our hot list. The last 2 weeks, it's been one to be in. What I was just going to put is there's a Cava. It does. Okay, I'm going to put the chat right here. In here? No. All right, let me know if I'm missing anything else. Cava, no, and it's up 9% on like 20% RVOL. See how that works? It's not a pivot breakout. It's earnings. Not enough volume. It's not up. It's like, yeah. Doesn't qualify. Sign, target. I already looked at all these. Coin. I did not look at coin. First time here, hoping to learn. Way to go, Justin. Welcome. Click the link in my bio after this or whenever you want. Coin, nav, BDAT. So coin barely up. See, so we're hitting the bottom of the barrel there. So the NVOS and EBET are the top movers. And, you know, during the bear market, we just would day trade these. You know, and then maybe we'd flip them for a day. But some of these also qualify now in a bull market as good swing trades that we can end up, you know, being in. And in that context, we'll get the 1 minute breakout. You got lucky with Bay yesterday. Yesterday on a whim. No idea what I'm doing, to be honest. Well, be very careful, Justin, because it's hard enough to make money trading if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, I can just guarantee you're going to lose it all. Like, I can just guarantee you that. So I would just stop, like just clamp down those gains and stop and start learning, right? Anybody else with me on that? Who else concurs? When somebody says, I don't know how much money it is. I mean, but if you made a couple $100 and that's a lot of money for you, you know, probably stop. If you made thousands, absolutely stop, you know, and start to learn. All right, let's keep going though. We've got 18 minutes before the market opens. I'm doing my math right this morning. I didn't get much sleep last night though. I had like insomnia because I had some cappuccino late at night. Shouldn't have done that. Almost opted for the espresso. Now, that would have been a problem. All right. So yeah, we're watching EBET and NVOS, and we're in DLO. Eugenio McClure, is that Joe? Are you Joe Smith? Yes, true. Don't try this without a professional, says Carl. And Justin responded, yeah, that's what I'm working on, doing small volumes at the moment to learn. Okay, you don't have to do small volume or large volume or any particular volume to learn. You don't have to use real money to learn. If you're really serious about learning, you should check out the link in my bio because there's a section in there on how you can do simulated trading while you're learning. And but anyway, you know, I'm glad you tuned in. get this a little bit lower. There we go. All right, 17 minutes until the market opens. Nothing new coming across my desk here. TFC detail DLO, UREN, no, Kava, Anjo, and C Spicy. C Spicy. What's this company? C Spicy. CSPC Pharmaceuticals. Why are they calling that? CSPC Y. Silly ticker names. What did they say? Oh, silly rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Marketing. Elway. Kyle, what trading platform do I use to I simultaneously use TradingView and Thinkorswim. Yeah, it's a little different now with the TikTok crowd. Bro, I don't even have the $7 to join it. Oh, I think you're fucked, man. Ask a homeless guy for some money because they make more than $7 in an hour. Good luck. Welcome to TikTok. Go to a freeway off ramp, just depends on what you want in life. You know. What's your thoughts on QQQ? Oh, good idea. Let's go over the QQQ, the market this morning. That's the last remaining thing we need to look at here. So we have Fed data coming in today at some Fed notes coming in today at 2 p.m. So today's probably going to be a pretty low volume waiting day until 2 p.m. And then, all the shackles are off. And then, it'll be based on some of what we see as well. So I don't expect much until about 2 p.m. But we're opening down. But this is for 2 days, 3 days in a row now. Been a support area, so we could easily go lower. We're opening below yesterday's close, so we're gapping down a smidge. But that doesn't mean that things are going to go down. We could go up from here. So it's tricky to try and guess the direction. You paid your car. Oh, that's good. All right. Well, very good. Very good. A lot of people, aren't in a situation where they can afford $7. I can think of nobody, actually, come to think of it, in that situation. But whatever. Go take a look. The link is in my bio, Kyle. Go take a look. The link is in my bio. Well, got to make more money, I guess, man. It's something that, it's for, the right per people. You'll know if you're the right people. How much do you make a year doing this? Well, I don't really want to disclose that all over the goddamn internet for a lot of reasons that you probably wouldn't understand. But you can do well. But it's going to take yourself probably years to really master this. So don't think you can just quit your day job and start doing this. All right, how many minutes till the open we got? We got 12 minutes to the open. Oh, TikTok crowd is totally different, RJ says, so what exactly are your trading login credentials and your social security number? Yeah, totally. What is your annual gross income, your tax bracket, and are you filing married or jointly? I mean, whatever the fuck. You know what I mean? How many dependents do you have? No, but anyway, NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm going to take a look at NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA is great. I mean, there's an excellent reclaim on NVIDIA. Yes, 2 days ago, and a little bit of follow through yesterday. Yeah, exactly, Carl. Exactly. I don't really need to be disclosing shit for that reason. Exactly. Is it worth it? I really do would say it is. Yeah. Do I read all day long and predict the future stocks? Right. I do read charts. You don't have to do it that way though. There's a lot of different degrees of how how you go about this. But for example, Christian Quagmire, or whatever his name is, Kalamagi, in 10 years turned $10,000 into $100 million. But he did about $100,000 into $100 million in 2 years. So there's a lot of potential there. But you know what? I'll answer questions more like this tonight or at night on the nightly live streams on TikTok, okay? This morning, we're prepping for the market open, which is like the race is about to begin. Like the horses are at the track, and we're about to do that. So just watch along for the first 45 minutes here. The market's about to open in 9 minutes. Back to the overview and eBet. Nice. I'm going to be watching the 1 minute open on NVOS and eBet. They're both breakaway pivots. On high RVOL. eBet's doing about double RVOL, so by the end of the day, should do about 600 or 700% RVOL, which will be higher, pretty high, but maybe not enough. So we'll see. eBet possible, dicey whether or not it's going to follow through. Maybe dicey's not the word, but not necessarily. But we kind of are today, yeah. Like for instance, this eBet is 5 cents, 7 cents right now, and NVOS is 22 cents, but not necessarily. I've got stuff here that's, let's see the trade price. I've got something here at $44 per share, $35 per share, $57 per share. So it's more of a pattern and a strategy. All right, so we've got 8 minutes until the market opens. I'm going to start to get ready on eBet. So you'd want to risk to about 5 cents. And assuming the 1 minute breakout is going to be something like pre-market high, which is probably correct, that's at 8 cents. So you're talking about 3 cents of risk for your entry, potentially planning ahead. 3 cents of risk for your entry. So that should give you position size. You can figure out your position size from that. And where to stop out would be at 5 cents. I'm personally not going to let it get that low. If it starts breaking pivots and breaking VWAP, I'll scale out / get out. But that should be the proper risk size to about 5 cents. 5 cent stop. The stop at 5 cent price level. So 3 cents away from 8 cents or 2 cents away from 7 cents where it's at right now. But I think the 1 minute breakout will probably happen around 8 cents. That's eBet. And then NVOS, $0.18 would be the risk level there, and 27 cents the breakout. So 20, 27, 18, 9 cents of risk on NVOS. Right. Now that NVOS has pulled back a little bit and it's 7 minutes before they open, I'm going to nibble a little bit. I'm going to grab a little bit pre-market of what I'm going to end up getting. Maybe it'll, average out. Pre-market purchase on NVOS. Don't forget to follow me, you guys over there, because I go live every morning and sometimes at night on the TikTok. All right. Well, it says no dropped frames. That's good. So I guess the TikTok is running smoothly. How about you guys over here on the Zoom? And then also we're broadcasting to the YouTube, Twitch, Twitter. And I think I'm forgetting another platform. Smooth so far? Okay, Dennis, thanks. All right, 4 minutes and 50 seconds till the market opens. There's pretty much I've gone through every pre-market opportunity. I probably missed one or two though because different scanners, show different things. So if anybody saw something else that in our group saw something else that's up big this morning on big volume, please let me know. Maybe it's an earnings winner or whatever. Horses are loading at the gate. That's right. Couple minutes till liftoff. NVOS is up almost 100% since yesterday in after hours. Now, regarding my half positions from pre-market, I'll sell those right away if it starts to crack, starts to bleed out and crack pre-market pivot levels. But that's the half risk. You could go a quarter risk in pre-market as well, or a third. Two main opportunities today, eBet and NVOS. And then we're watching the market as well. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Oh, thanks for sharing the live. Oh, you guys do that again. That's great. Appreciate it. So does everybody in the group. The more the merrier. 2 minutes till the market opens. We're up 28% on DLL overnight. And I think RJ, fuck, are you still in that? You must be up like 75%. Got a great price on it. I told everybody to get in. I think it was a very. Oh, that was another stock. Never mind. RJ, did you get DLO? I think you got DLO. No, no, maybe not. All right. 30 seconds. What is that? 50 seconds. Here we go. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Don't forget to follow. Here we go. Is tech going bear? No. But maybe for a month or two. All right, here we go. 30 seconds. Thank you for sharing, everybody. Thank you for sharing. Appreciate it. Everybody appreciates it too. Missed that one, but I have the other two swings we picked up at end of day. Yeah, so what were those? DTCH maybe? Are you still in that? You shouldn't. I don't think you should still be in that. AMPH? Oh, maybe AMPH. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, market's open. Here we go. Smoke them if you got them. I'm just looking at the way everything's moving here. It looks like NVOS pulling back, so I might be cutting that. But I'm also kind of cocked and ready to go ahead and double up if it breaks the 1 minute breakout. Okay, NVOS. No go. How about eBet? What are you going to do, eBet? So far, no go on NVOS. We're looking at 18-cent stop level on NVOS once you do get in. Now, eBet, I'm going to get my order cocked and ready here. Okay, NVOS is turning around. Here we go. NVOS. That is the first minute and 1 minute breakout to the upside. And now I'm in NVOS again and risked properly to the 18-cent level. eBet has not gone basically either way. We are now 2 minutes into the market open, and there goes NVOS. Very nice. NVOS is moving. We're up 4%. It looks like eBet is dumping. I'm going to exit eBet. The eBet half entry from pre-market. I'm out. NVOS pulling back already. I was going to take a little 5% of profiter right there. eBet pulling back. I didn't get a 5% market order ready. Okay, I want to sell into strength, 5%. Let's get a little pop here on NVOS. Comes perhaps. Yes, right there. Boom. Okay, selling. 5% into that strength right there. We're now up 6% on NVOS. ELO is hanging out where it closed yesterday. eBet had that pullback. NVOS is following through. Keep an eye on LL as well. LL down 5%. I'm going to cut that. That ain't doing what it's supposed to do. Done with that one. LL Cool J. All right, DLO, a little bit of good action on DLO happening here. 2040. I'm going to take a smidge out at 2040. I still want to hold plenty on this, but I'm going to try and sell a little bit into strength. It's basically like I'm selling like 2% into strength here. There it is on DLO. Keeping mostly everything, but it's like, it's just prudent. There goes DLO. NVOS is up more. We're up 9% on NVOS and 33% on DLO. Between the two of those, I'm at $400. I'm also up another $200 on the SE short from yesterday, up 15%. Taking that to about $600 in gains just on the fall from grace short pattern. That is SE. Let's pull that up over here. I'm going to take a little bit out on that SE stock that moved down. That's a short. I'm buying to cover about 9% of my position. That's actually 11% of my position. So locking in some gains. Gonna go? Which one? Huh? Ease? We don't even like NVOS anyway. No, but NVOS is going. Hey, we are impartial either way. Well, DLO flying. It looks like it's going to break yesterday's high. DLO, we're now at 36%. I'm going to sell another like 2%, very small amount into strength here because I intend to hold this as a swing trade. But just doing a little prudent profit taking. Keeping things trimmed down below, If you know, you know. It might be 2% of me, but it made 7 kids. All right, we broke yesterday's high on DLO. We're now up 41% on DLO. I got to take a look at our Evlov runner. I'm not loving that. It's further depreciation. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get out right around break even here. And I'll get back in some other day when things follow through, when things are following through. Amount of Evlov. Looks like the market is capitulating back up off the bottom. Dropping my short right there on the market. I don't really need it anyway. I don't really need you anyway. Not much happening on AMPH either. Nicola with a little bit of pullback, 25% of our move Ooh, pretty big reclaim going on SC. I'm going to go ahead and close out my whole short on that. Just take all my profits right there. That's fine with me. It's just a short. Here we go. I made $500,000 on that in 2 days. That's got to be happy with that. Partake in this huge reclaim going on it if I'm short. More gains on STRL. Okay, the market is moving strong, but it's not moving much. It looks like it, relatively speaking, but it's really just a little teeny weeny doji at the bottom of yesterday's move. Curious to see if NVOS will follow through. It looks like AMPH is now coming up. I think there. EBET remains to be seen. The volume on EBET is 222 mil. Normally does about 100 mil. So it's about 200% right now. So it'll be 600% by end of day. So EBET, it has enough volume to make it happen, but it's not certain whether or not it will. Yeah, and I'm glad I got out of LL. That just is not doing anything. All right, NVOS with a pretty decent sell-off right now. Be ready to be defensive over there. I just got all out at break even on NVOS. At break even. I mean, when something moves and then it comes back to your break even, 10 minutes later, a day later, a couple days later, whatever it is, if it's been up and then it moves back down and it comes to your break even, don't let a gain turn into a loss. Just have that as a rule. Yeah.
Why can't I
play? It's not letting you?
It can't keep.
Oh. All right, well, I'm going to have to come check it out in like 10 minutes. Can you play something else in the meantime or pause it so it doesn't use your play time? Okay, well, I have to come fix it in like 10 minutes or so. All right, about that. I am working right now. The cute little 6-year-old. See, it's a good thing I got out of NVOS at break even. Looks like it's going lower. These things are not guaranteed. Things are not guaranteed to move up. Trading, entries have to be babysat and taken with care. I already took 4% off of DLO, but it's also looking a little funky. AMPH in the meantime, that's doing well. Okay, I put Evlov into my closed folder. NVOS. At this point, NVOS, ends up creating a 10-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute range, to the top of the hour. So if it re-breaks the high, that could be an entry. You'd want to risk it to the low of the day. Yeah, eBet failing out. The market's doing well. And we got oil sideways, gold moving up, consumer staples moving up, healthcare moving up, utilities up, discretionaries up as well. Financials are flying, industrials are flying, but rates are moving down. So this could be imports, exports related. Energy is moving up, and tech is moving up. The Dow is moving up. The Qs are moving up. The growth market and the S&P 500 is moving up. Everything is moving up, which when we have that, it's like a 1 out of 20 days do that, you know. Usually what it means is we're going to grind up green all day, right? You've heard me say that, and that 90% certainty. It seems like every time I say that, it works out that way. Yeah, I think we're just going to slowly grind up. You know, there'll be little testing moments, but because all the different sectors and all the different industries are all moving up together, they help support each other, and it just becomes a rising of the tide. So we're going to rise the tide. Probably not even that much. It certainly isn't worth trading it. I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to get calls, because we've got a Fed report at 2. I mean, any move today before then is dumb money. A good day to take profits, Casey? Yeah. I mean, no. That's completely depends on what you're in, man. That's completely dependent on the particular stock or the asset. Let's say if it's an index. It's hard to say without looking at the chart. Every chart has different correlations. But make that decision for yourself on whatever particular stock you've trying to make that decision on. All right, we're 15 minutes into the market. We're not near the top of the hour yet. DLO with a really sideways yet high tight flag off of the open. And EBET fading, NVOS fading. Those kinds of strong retracement moves or breakdowns, if you will, on that NVOS and EBET that's not the behavior you're looking for. So you just stay out of the fire. Keep your hand out of the fire. See, look at NVOS now. Plummeting. Up, up, and away. Up. Yes. Who said that? Brent. Are you still holding PGY on swing? No. Funny you mentioned that, though. I think I just saw that come across my screen somewhere. Somewhere I saw that ticker. I think it might have been on recent gap ups or something. To where I saw that. We could also take a look at what? No, not enough volume. That looks like a split anyway. Did that. Moni. No. That screening result. Yeah, the Qs are the market itself are moving up. I really don't care either way, regarding the report that comes at 2 p.m. If it causes the market to tank, great. That's just more digestion of recent gains for the market. This whole period here is like the market breathing out, and it can't breathe in again a good large amount and fly if it can't get all of its energy out first. It needs to get to fully at rest. HE short. I need to look at that. So position of mine. Oh yeah. A lot of reclaim right now. There, HE. I might have to just cut that at break even and just not a lot of room on that trade for much else. Yeah, STRL just keeps going. I took out some profits the other day on that. The big move is momentum is slowing. I'm very willing to just exit the whole runner. Any day here. It doesn't really matter. We're up 10%. I'm up half a grand on it. So, why give it back? All right, I'm going to go help my kids with this Minecraft thing. I don't know what's going up there, but that's we're nearly at the top of the hour. We're 9 minutes to the top of the hour, and today's going to be a light volume day until 2 p.m. All right, so I'll see you in the group, everybody. Everybody out there on TikTok and YouTube and Twitch and everywhere else, make sure you click the link in my bio or any of the links there in order to find our group or find my videos, and look forward to helping you with your trading in the future. Okay, everybody, see you in the group. Have a good one.